In every freelancer life, there is a time when you need to cheat the freelance system. Now, why do we need that? Let me just explain this with an example. It happened with me. So I'm going to show you my own example. Okay, now here is my Upwork freelance profile. Okay, everything looks great. My hourly rate, my skills, my overview, availability, work history, everything looks great. Okay, even you can see most of the clients, I think 98% of the clients have given me 5-star rating. Okay, so 5-star over here, 5-star, then 5-star, 5-star. Okay, 5-star, 5-star. So in almost, I think 98% of the job I have achieved 5 stars. Okay, so previously Upwork have a rating with stars rating. Okay, so whatever the client rates over here is reflected on this side of the profile. Now recently they have changed this weird rating and added something new, which is called this job success score. Okay, now this job success score rating is very weird. I don't know how they have calculated me. I had some clients who hired me, kept me hired for like 1 year, okay, without any work, because they wanted to avoid rehiring again and again or finding me again and again. They just kept the contract running. Okay, so that gave me some negative rating, and now my job success score is 68%, although I have all my jobs with 5-star rating. Okay, so this is really weird. Okay, so it should not have something like 2 or 3 ratings or things to be calculated over here. Okay, so most of the jobs now I see they have something checked like this. Okay, so this is really weird. It happened with a lot of old Upwork freelancers, okay, like me, and I have seen few others who had 4.9 rating, and now their job success score is like 82% or 83%. So they don't qualify this job success score. Okay, now the solution. Now if you are entangled with such a kind of problem and you cannot solve it, and then you can do one thing, okay, which is that we are going to have multiple freelance profiles with different names. Okay, you can use your brother's name, your mother's name, your father's name, and use that profile to get the things done. Okay, so if your one profile is messed up, you can go ahead and start creating more profiles. Okay, so this happens a lot of time when some angry client or some bad mouth client, he just stabs you in the back and give you a very bad rating. And I don't know, sometimes it's transparent, sometimes it's at the back end of that freelance system. Okay, to avoid that, in the first place, I'm going to give you 2 tips. Number 1 is that never get angry with your clients. Okay, keep cool and always try to refund to your client to avoid bad ratings. Okay, so if they threaten you like I don't like your work, or you have wasted my 10 hours, okay, then give them like 90% of the refund. Okay, so they will be happy that they got the money. So it happens a lot of times. So this is 2 or 3 tricks I have given you. Use multiple freelance profile. This is the best cheat. I have seen few freelancers using it. I haven't used it much because I have clients outside of these freelance websites. Okay, so they are my loyal clients, so I always work with them. Okay, now coming to the cheat number 2. Cheat number 2 is that sometimes these multiple profiles can help you get out of the competition. Okay, so what I have seen few freelancers, my friends, they are doing, they basically trick the system by applying with multiple profiles to a single job application. Okay, so I have a single job application. Let me show you. Okay, for example, I have this single job application, top skilled web designer with UX UI. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply over here with this profile. Then I'm going to log out and log in, or maybe use my other browser where I have logged in with another profile, and I'm going to apply the same job with some other rate. Okay, maybe I apply $50 on this website, and with this profile using this profile, and on the next one I'm going to use maybe $20, so just to check the client's mind. So this can really improve your chances of getting that job. Okay, so higher chances of getting that job. Now I don't recommend that you use these cheap tricks unless you are really hopeless. One more thing is that on Upwork or maybe other freelance websites, you can create two accounts. One is a freelancer account and other is an agency account. So you can create your design agency or coding agency, and you can apply from those profiles. Okay, so you can already have two profiles, but still if you have to get dirty and get some cheating applied to this freelance system, you can have multiple profiles. Okay, so this is all about solving freelance problems. So keep me updated if you like my trick or this cheap dirty tricks. Ask questions, I would love to hear them and answer them. Okay, so let's move on to the next lesson.